In this video, let's discuss about can you see if someone deleted their WhatsApp account. Welcome back everyone to this new video. Now if you're wondering if you can actually get notified or WhatsApp actually notifies you whenever someone deletes their WhatsApp account, the straight answer to this is no. But however, there are certain clues that you'd be able to use in order to determine that the other person might have deleted their account. So the first thing that you can look is take a look at their profile picture. If the profile picture is no longer available, that could be a likely sign that they have deleted their WhatsApp, as well as if you send a message as well, the message is never read. So these are the standard two signs that you can use in order to determine it. The other way that you can definitely tell if the other person has deactivated is whenever you try to add them to a group. So whenever you try to add this person to a group, WhatsApp gives you a certain message which says could not add contact, or it might even say the person isn't on WhatsApp. So using the group method, you'd be able to definitely tell that they have deleted their WhatsApp account. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.